Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series and it is one of a kind because this is from factory the SOLARBEAM yellow exterior color. Usually it is only available in 3 colors, Magma Beam, High-Tech Silver or the Green Hell. But because this is ordered with help of the Center of Excellence in Sindelfingen at the factory, they made it possible to have a factory SOLARBEAM yellow exterior color, just like the flagship SLS-AMG Black Series. There are actually 2 ways to start the engine, and I will show you that later on. Let's first start with the exterior, because you can already see it has a lot of GT3 characteristics. Just look at the large A-shape front grille. From the side you can see a lot of aerodynamic lines because this is also the most weight reduction I've ever seen. It actually fills a lot of technology just for weight reduction and for the air to flow fluently through the GT Black Series. On the bonnet you can see a lot of carbon fiber details with actual gaps. So if you look closer, you can see the glossy carbon fiber detail with a massive gap in the center. Later on we will also pop the bonnet to show you the airflow. Just look at this mean front with the A-shaped grille. Also with the front diffuser in carbon fiber which can actually be extended while using it on the track. It doesn't have the Distonic Plus sensors, so a full open Mercedes star for the air to flow right through it. I already mentioned it has the 20-inch rims in the rear and 19-inch rims in the front. A massive 2-layer ring which actually creates a lot of downforce. So let's pop the trunk and we will see what's inside. First of all, very lightweight because it has a full carbon fiber cover. And once looking inside you can see there is also a possibility for a cage in titanium. Beautiful carbon fiber lightweight, and even the window is very thin. Right here you can see that the handle is this rope for weight reduction. So let's close it. And there it says GT Black Series with a flag. So now it is time to have a look in the interior. And we will walk past these stainless steel exhaust pipes, which look massive. The sound is very different because of this flat 180-degree angle crankshaft. And we have driven it on the track. This changes the sound, it changes the gas responsiveness and a lot more. Amazing. Also SOLARBEAM details in the interior. It has the stitching, the contours of the floor mats, and also on the seats stitching in SOLARBEAM yellow and patterns. Lightweight AMG Sport Cup seats. So I will press the button for the invitation screen to appear. And as I move closer inside you can see the digital screens. Also an optional cage which is not here at the moment. Let me pop the bonnet 2 times for security reasons. And we will have a look what is under the bonnet. No soft closing doors of course, for weight reduction. Here it says V8 biturbo with a red color around it. It has the fish bones on the side, very characteristic, with extra aerodynamic lines. Massive bonnet, so let's open it. Extremely lightweight because of a lot of carbon fiber and gaps. This V8 biturbo produces 730 horsepower, 800 Nm of torque. So just imagine the air flows from the grille over to the cover in carbon fiber through these 3 V lines, cooling the turbos, over the windshield into the A-pillar, C-pillar and the 2-wing design, which is electronically adjustable. The complete roof is in carbon fiber. So a lot of amazing, extensive carbon fiber details. Just look at the ceiling of the bonnet. So every form actually has an aerodynamic purpose. In the front, the carbon fiber cover is not the location of the engine. The engine, of course, is just like the other GTs, positioned in the center for great distribution of the weight. So let's close the bonnet. Extremely lightweight, as I mentioned. And you have to close it a little better in the center and of course here on the side. So guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram, the link is down below. And I have amazing content special for you about all new Mercedes-Benz vehicles and the most exclusive ones, like this AMG Black Series. Once again, the door with a full Alcantara cover. This door handle that has been replaced with a rope and beautiful yellow details with stitching. AMG lettering in carbon fiber at the doorstep. Let's go inside. There's actually no cup holder cover to reduce the weight. Here you can see a beautiful V-shape center console. Let's put it in Sport Plus with the dynamic select switch. I will close the door with this rope. There are also buttons on the steering wheel, actually switches to change the driving characteristics. So let's listen to the sound of this V8 bi-turbo with a flat 180 degrees angle crankshaft in action. It is really different compared to a standard 90 degrees angle crankshaft. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, what do you like better? In the center console, some storage space, and yes, there is actually a second way of turning on the engine. You can switch it, as you can see here on the gauges. Amazing classic feeling. Let's close the part with the Untitled AMG emblem. Amazing sport cup seats AMG. I already mentioned the SOLARBEAM colors. It does have the camera package. Front camera, rear camera, and you really need it given the low ground clearance. Over here it has the traction control adjustments. You can actually position it in 9 different levels when driving on road. So beautiful interior with the Burmester surround sound systems on the corners. amazing feeling sitting here. Once opening the door, we will have a final look at the exterior. Of course, the complete ceiling is also in Alcantara. And I really love this contrast dark interior with the exterior. It doesn't matter what color you choose for the exterior, the center part of the rear will always be black with the glass. I really love the stainless steel exhaust pipes, they stick out, and a great 2-layer spoiler, which can be manually adjusted with screwdriver and screws. And of course the electronic parts on the top, as I showed you in the interior. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the GT Black Series, the first one from factory in SOLARBEAM yellow. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.